I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp salad. First, cook 1 pound of shrimp until it turns pink, then chill it completely. While the shrimp cools, finely dice 2 celery stalks and 1/4 cup of red onion. Finally, gather your remaining ingredients: mayonnaise, fresh lemon juice, dill, salt, and pepper. This simple preparation ensures a quick and delicious meal. Once your shrimp is chilled, chop it into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the chopped shrimp with the diced celery and red onion. Now, add 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to the mixture. These ingredients form the delicious base of your easy shrimp salad. Now it's time to season your salad perfectly. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gently mix all the ingredients until everything is thoroughly combined. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill your shrimp salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious, easy shrimp salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled on crisp lettuce cups with your favorite crackers, or as a sandwich filling on toasted bread. For a final touch, garnish with a little extra fresh dill or a bright lemon wedge. It's a perfect light meal or appetizer. Also, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.